What's up, my beautiful people and my family in and around the world? Today you're tuned into Lebo Jerk Grenadian Cuisine, and I'm about to give you a special today on how to make stew fish. Now that you all tuned in and we all here, let's get with it. You would always want to make the check show. Make sure that your hands are clean, your nails are clean, so you wash your hands properly. First, I'm going to start by turning the stove on. You don't want to put a little bit of oil, you want to put a lot because you want it to be soaked in the oil. And let that heat up for a bit. Next step, we need some flour for the frying of the fish. You want to get some seasoning in the flour, the cheesy flavor of this stew fish you're going to get once I'm finished with it. So now I'm going to show you the process. This have spice. This is for the frying of the fish. This have no spice. This is for the making of the dumplings. This is the water we're going to use to add into it, just little by little, with a touch of the texture you would like. Now definitely I know it needs a bit more water. I will add a bit more. And a bit more I could definitely use. So this is your end result. And you cover this 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes if you must. Yes, girl, the people, now we have the oil hot and it's ready for the fish to be in. So what you need, this is my seasoned flour right here. And the fish is already seasoned, as you can see. But just so you have a little flavor on the fish dough, you need a little spice in the flour. Flavor, Grenadian Cuisine. Once I put the fish in here, I'm gonna use just one hand to mix the flour. Shake it out. There you go, baby. Beautiful already, yeah? Now we're gonna start our provision. I'm gonna boil the water. Get it ready for the green bananas, the plantain, the sweet potatoes, corn, and the dumpling. So my crowd of people, beautiful people all over the world, the finishing result of my Grenadian Caribbean stew fish. Without any further words, I say blessed to you. Hope you enjoy. I invite you to follow me. Go to lebojerk.com. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. I'm all over the globe now, baby. So from Lebo Jerk Grenadian Cuisine, I say peace out.